This is my Hoover Nextra. I think it's a 7. Well, obviously it says 7, but nice shiny thing under drawer. Control panel. I hate this machine because the front panel, this side, has gone a horrid yellow colour. I live without pets, I don't smoke, and it's done me head in. 1600 AA, spin, select dial. I always keep it on 1200, I've never really used it any faster. 40, I do use 60 and 90 degree programs. At 90 I only used it once in this. No, I didn't, I used 80 degrees to clean it. But that was ages ago. A program dial, I'm not going to go through them before because you've probably seen them all before on similar Hoover Nextra machines. They're all similar. It's a HNF 7167 made in UK. Nice Hoover door. Nice shiny doorbell which I cleaned. This is the drum of the machine. I'll just put light in. It's the new style, but it's scratched. As you can see, the ring inside. It's a fairly biggish drum. A bit too big for me because I don't do big loads. Door seal, which is all nice and clean. No marks or mould. As you can see, drum paddles are loose on this machine, which is quite annoying. If I can just get them. They're all loose, which is really annoying. But I've never had any torn or snagged washing, thank God. Nice quiet drum. I mean motor. Never really had any problems with this. It's got a cracked drum outer tub, should I say, but I've sealed that up with silicone so it doesn't really leak anymore. And then I tested it on the 80 degree program cottons and it didn't leak, so I'm happy. I'm thinking of selling this machine, I don't really know. But apart from drum paddles and obviously the leak, it's in brilliant order. Detergent drawer, cleaned it all. No marks anywhere. It's all nice and shiny. I'm going to take it out the same. Cleaned all the inside. I'll just put my lamp back on so you can see. Cleaned it all. No marks really. All nice and clean. Apart from the obvious problems, this is a real nice clean working machine. I like it. I will start using it again soon when I can be bothered to drag it through to my kitchen and put it in because it's in the pantry at the moment. But yeah, that's me Hoover Nextra 7.